On today's menu, a flavor-packed recipe you can make even if you're in a hurry. Coconut curry, fried rice. Lei Homa, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I absolutely love fried rice and there is definitely no limit to what you can do. This is something that you'll definitely want to make today. Three pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. Half red onion, diced. About a quarter cup worth of diced red bell pepper. About 1 cup worth of chopped broccolini. Before we get started with the cooking, this is a incredible, delicious, beautiful ruby red chili oil made in the previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check out and make this chili oil really easily at home. Non-stick pan, medium heat, 1 cup shredded coconut. Toast the coconut for 1 to 2 minutes. Set aside. Wipe out the pan with a paper towel. Now that pan is literally glistening with amazing coconut flavor. Pan back on medium heat. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Onions and garlic. Saute for about 2 minutes. Half cup canned chickpeas. Veggies. Saute the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes. Quarter cup roasted peanuts. 1.5 cups leftover white rice. One tablespoon curry powder. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the toasted coconut, but save some for garnish. Give it a stir and you're done. Plate. toasted coconut. You can now make this incredibly delicious fried rice with absolute confidence. Like I always say, this definitely is a party I'd like to attend. Man. Man, that is so delightful. There is so much flavor, so much different textures. It really is just, like I said, a party. You have that sort of saltiness from the soy sauce that seasons everything, and at the same time, you have the curry powder that is really aromatic and adds a little bit of that spiciness, but not really too much, just a slight kick. But you have the amazing, delicious toasted coconut, and that adds not only some coconut flavor, but adds that texture, that crunch. And it really is, I mean, beautiful to look at. It's kind of like a mountain with a snowy cap. Just really, really beautiful. And you have the texture from the meatiness from the chickpeas and the delicious crunchiness from the roasted peanuts. A little bit of sweetness from the red bell pepper and the crunchy texture and the delicious broccolini. A little bit of that freshness. And man, that chili oil really comes through. Not too strong, but has that smoky flavor and a little bit of that spiciness as well. But yeah, you really do taste that smokiness, and that is really, really delicious. Beautiful to look at, all those colors. That is just magnificent. Absolutely love it. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Plus, in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious and stunning sushi right at home. And that is the masterclass you'll really eat up. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.